Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. You can choose to do this anytime. It doesn't have to be Valentine's to make these. So I have some strawberries that I've washed and dried. I have some chocolate chip, some coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and some cupcake paper that I'm going to set them in to serve. I also have a glass container that I'm going to line with parchment paper and set my strawberries into it after I dip it. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of my coconut oil to my chocolate chip, and I'm going to put it in the microwave to melt. So after removing my chocolate from the microwave, this is what it looks like. It's not melted properly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more chocolate to this, and I'm going to add a little more coconut oil because I think I'm going to need more for this amount of strawberries that I have. So I'm just going to put more chocolate in it and more coconut oil. I'm sorry. And then I'm going to add it back to the microwave. So this is what my chocolate looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and dip my strawberries. So after dipping my strawberries, this is how they look. And I'm going to set them into the refrigerator for around 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. After which I'm going to remove them. Then I'm going to add extra chocolate to some of them. There you have my chocolate covered strawberries. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.